Hello everyone. Today we'll be cleaning up a microwave oven. This lovely model looks like it's from sometime in the 1980s. It has rotary dials for cooking intensity and time. I can't tell what the wattage is, but it's probably about 700 watts judging by how fast it boils water. Now, if you put some water in it, it will boil, obviously. But if you open the door while it's running, it'll stop. However, unlike modern microwaves, you can close it, it'll instantly turn on. No button pressing required. Now it has two power settings. There's high and defrost. Defrost changes it so that it cycles the magnetron, which makes the microwaves. It cycles it on and off in a 50% duty cycle to defrost your food. Now, you may have noticed that it has no turntable. This was fairly common in the early days of microwaves. Instead of using a turntable, there's a metal fan called a waveguide stirring fan. It basically stirs the microwaves instead of moving your food. They probably don't do it this way anymore because an extra fan adds cost. Now this video here shows what happens when you put things like tin foil in the microwave. It generates plasma from the tin foil acting as an antenna and building a large electrical charge. For this project I will be using 99% isopropyl alcohol and a rag. The alcohol eats away at the dirt and, best of all, doesn't leave residue. Anyway, we'll now be cleaning and possibly touching up this dirty specimen. Always remember to unplug your stuff before you start messing with it. Do not remove envelope or destroy contents. Wonder what this is. Ooh, a wiring diagram. Cool. I don't think I've ever seen one of these included in a microwave. I've taken apart a few microwaves. All modern, of course. Okay, so here's the guts. You can see there's a fan and a magnetron and a high voltage transformer. There's the bell, there's the dial. This is for power settings. Oh, there's a capacitor. Looks like a quite beefy capacitor. It's all dusty in here. And here microwaves are probably being fed over to here. I don't really know why these old microwaves did that. Or maybe that's what this shroud is for. Nothing interesting over here. It says it's a 25-watt lamp, which is conveniently the same size as a lava lamp. Even has a intermediate base. Alright, I've finished drying this. Now it's done. Hey guys, thank you for watching all the way to the end. Make sure to smash that like button and absolutely demolish the subscribe! And I will see you next year.